Hello guys, here we have a Sankyo Super MF 606 and it's excellent. Alright, let's have a quick look at the case. The case is in good shape. It's got this leather-like finish with nice chrome accents. The inside is nice and soft and clean. So let's get to the camera. The camera comes with the cap, Sankyo cap. The lens is very clean. There's no dust in there. It focuses nice and smoothly. The lens hood doesn't creep. It stays in place. It's nice and snug. The zoom is nice and soft and smooth. Yeah, let's have a better look in there. Yeah, it's very, very clean in there. Let me open it. Right look in there. Let's put it to 36. 18. 36. Okay, let's look at the zoom. Zoom works. The battery check works. This switch is working. You can see the displays in the viewfinder. The viewfinder is very, very clean. Okay, I'm gonna attempt to get the viewer. That's the best I could get. It's very clean in there. Very clean. Alright. Let's have a look at the battery compartment. Yeah, it takes 4 AA's. Make sure they're 1.5s. This is very clean. It's a little weird how you put this in. You gotta align it. It has a little display window in there. Just make sure you align it correctly. It gets a little bit confusing. Did I get it in right? Yeah. Let's check the single frame here. Works. Working. This locks it into place, this switch. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Happy buying or bidding.